The Redmi Note 12 series has launched in India and the pricing is insane. This and more in today's episode. Hello everyone, welcome to a fresh new episode of Daily Fiber. I'm your host Aman Rashid, and before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. The Redmi Note 12 series has officially launched in India, and before I talk about these phones in detail, let the prices sink in. So the Redmi Note 12 series is official now, and I had this idea that the pricing of these phones this year would be high, but I did not expect them to be this high. So three phones have launched, for those who don't know: the Note 12, the Note 12 Pro and the Note 12 Pro Plus. Now Imam has done the Note 12 review while Manas and I have done the Note 12 Pro Plus review, and I will be linking those videos in the description below. You can check them out later. As for the Note 12 Pro, well, we haven't received the unit yet, but whenever we do, we'll make an in-depth video on the same. But coming back to the pricing, I mean, the fan pricing of the Redmi Note 12 series is still okay, but if you look at the regular prices, the Note 12 for 18,000 rupees, the Note 12 Pro for about 25,000 rupees, while the Note 12 Pro Plus at about 29,000 rupees, and mind you, these are the starting prices. I mean, at this rate, Redmi should have just launched these phones under the Xiaomi banner. So next time, what will they do? Like if a Redmi K60 launches in India, if it launches in India, then will they price it at what, about 35,000 rupees or even 40,000 rupees? That is something that only time will tell. But for now, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the pricing of the Redmi Note 12 series in the comments? The OnePlus 11 was unveiled yesterday in China, and going by the media reports, the phone is already breaking sales record in the country. Now, of course, there was no OnePlus 11 Pro to be seen, and going by the speculations, like what the speculations were suggesting in the first place, that the much anticipated successor of the OnePlus 10 Pro, that is the OnePlus 11 Pro, will not be coming this year. And then we got the event yesterday, and OnePlus only launched the OnePlus 11, so of course there is no OnePlus 11 Pro. So seeing this, a user on Weibo asked a senior executive of OnePlus, will there be a OnePlus 11 Pro that would be launching in the coming days? To which the executive replied that there is no OnePlus 11 Pro in the making. The OnePlus 11 Pro won't be launched. In fact, there is the OnePlus 11 in its place. But you know what I understand from this situation? Pro or non-Pro, I think Pro is just a moniker, because in my opinion, the OnePlus 11 is every bit Pro. I mean, look at the specs, look at the features. And the best part about the OnePlus 11 is that whenever it comes to India, you'll be getting all the Pro features with the OnePlus 11, but without paying the price of a Pro phone. And if I were to guess the price of the OnePlus 11 when it launches in India, I think the prices will start at 60,000 rupees. That is my hunch. And if that comes out to be true, then definitely this will be a solid deal. But what do you think could be the price of the OnePlus 11 when it launches in India on February 7th? Let me know in the comments. The Samsung Galaxy A14 is the company's first phone to launch globally in 2023. So yesterday only the Galaxy F04 broke cover in India, but that phone, again, as I said, launched in India. But the Galaxy A14 is a global release. It has just launched in the US. And if we talk about the specifications of the smartphone, the Galaxy A14 comes with a 90Hz LCD display, a Dimensity 700 processor under the hood, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, 5000 mAh battery, One UI 5 atop Android 13, and a 50 megapixel triple rear camera setup. Now the pricing of this phone is set at about $200, which is roughly 16,500 rupees, and this phone comes in 4 different color options. The Google Pixel 7a has been in the rumor mill for quite some time now, and recently only we saw a hands-on video of the phone revealing the design of this phone and what it could look like. Now, new storage and RAM details of the phone have also surfaced online, and according to the leaked information, the Google Pixel 7a could feature 8GB LPDDR5 RAM along with 128GB storage. Now, in comparison to the Pixel 6a, this will definitely be a huge upgrade. I mean, Pixel 6a had 6GB LPDDR4 RAM, so 8GB LPDDR5 on the 7a is definitely a boost, but the 128GB storage, well, that will still be similar. Now, the leak also confirms the Lynx code name of the Google Pixel 7a that has been doing the rounds. Now, if we come back to the leaked video, the leaked hands-on video, we can see that the Pixel 7a will retain more or less the same design language as the Pixel 6a. However, this generation, the Google Pixel 7a, that is what I'm talking about, will come with a 90Hz AMOLED display in comparison to a 60Hz AMOLED display that you get on the Pixel 6a. And you know what? I am very optimistic about the Pixel 7a. It's going to be a great phone and even better than the Pixel 6a. I just hope that Google prices it right in India and it doesn't, the company does not repeat the same things that it did with the pricing of the Pixel 6a. Let's hope for the best. How much do you think a decent 5G smartphone could cost in India right now, especially from a reputable brand? What do you think? 14,000 rupees, 13,000 rupees, 12,000 rupees? No. Let me tell you. So if you're in the market, you're looking for a budget smartphone that also happens to be a 5G smartphone and also happens to be from a reputable brand. Well, Amazon is currently listing the Galaxy M13 5G at a price of 10,999 rupees. And do note, there's an exchange offer also going on this phone that is for 10,250 rupees. So if you have an eligible device to exchange, then you can get the price of the Galaxy M13 5G even lower than the 10,999 price tag. So of course, if you are on the lookout for a budget 5G smartphone from the house of Samsung, this deal is something that you can't miss. And with that, we have reached the end of this episode. So what are your thoughts on today's video, and what are your thoughts about the pricing of the Redmi Note 12 series? Let me know in the comments, and as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiber. I'll catch you all in the next episode tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself and thank you for watching.